So let's do a little bit of pattern mixing, okay? I'm just gonna pick a random, well, it's not gonna be random, you guys know I love animal print. We're gonna do a black and white, so let's find a black and white that we really love. So here's a black and white. I'm not looking at style or anything right now. I'm just looking at prints that catch my eye. Okay, is that gonna work with me? Are you gonna work with me here? Okay, maybe not. And then, do we wanna do a polka dot? Let's do a polka dot. And we'll see if we can do a little mini mixed printing situation here. So, which animal print do we want to work with? Do we want to work with a tiger or a tree? Let's take both. Let's take both. And then, let's take a, oh, this would be a really cute print. This is my problem. I find too much. All right, we have 5 pants or 5 prints. Okay. Then, oh, look at these. Zara, listen, we're supposed to be working here. Let's see. This would be interesting. Again, just picking up prints that that excite me. I don't see a plaid that I'm interested in. It's like a houndstooth, but no real. Let's see. Maybe a camo? Do we want to pattern mix a camo? Let's do a camo. Now here's the thing, there are different types of, let's just do this one. Okay, so we're not gonna get to do all of these in one video, I don't think, but maybe. Oh, here's a plaid. Here's a plaid. Let's do this one. Let's do this one. All right, let's just see if we can pattern mix some of this. Okay, so what do we want to print mix first? I don't know. Typically things call out to me. So let's do the plaid and the cheetah. Right off the bat, I'm seeing a stripe. I'm seeing a stripe. So let's hang this up here. Okay, and let's try a few of them. So how do we feel about that as a mix? Okay, now we're not worried about the shape and all that. We're just thinking about the mix, the black and white. So I like that. I like that. What do you guys think? I like that. Let's see. What about with the cheetah? Let's put this one here. Let's see. Oop. Let me step away a little bit. Kind of like that too. Okay. So that's that. Let's see this thing over here. This lady does not like the pricing. I like this, guys. Look at this. Hold on, let me get it together. Look at these two together. That's nice. What do we think? Hold it. Do it this way. Will that work? Hold on. Let's just do it this way. How about this? Again, we're just looking at the colors and the prints together. I like that. Now, I wouldn't, you know, these polka dots are kind of throwing it off. This is a torrid shirt, but yeah, we like that. Okay, so we like this together. I'm gonna space it out some more so you guys can see. Stop moving. Stop moving. Let me step away. Let's see if it'll let me. Okay. All right, so what I want to do now is I want to see these pants. Hold on. Ah, okay. Would we pattern mix these two? No. No. just visually, it doesn't make sense. So let's take this away. Let's just put it right here. Visually, what would go with this pair of pants? Let's see. Let's see. So this is kind of like a geometric print. So maybe we go here. What we tend to do is if there's a smaller scale print, we get a larger scale print. So let's see. Let's see if there are any larger scale prints. Oh, that's okay. Oh, that's a good print. That's a good mix. Okay, we like that. Okay, so these two, no, I don't like that as a mix. So let's see this one. I know this is not gonna go, but I want you to see why it doesn't go. The scales are too, it looks like you're wearing like one full set. There's no pattern mixing at all in this. It's the similar or the same scale. Can you see that? Same scale. It just looks very like busy to me. Like to have this print, this is very Peg Bundy. Let's say that. I'm trying not to say, try not to be mean to myself, but let's see. Same with this. Same with that. It's looking, no, it's looking too similar for it to be a mixed print. So let's see, is there anything over here that I think would work? Let's see, would this work? I don't know. There's similar shades or tones. You know what? I think that might work. I think that might work. Let's see if there's anything better. I'm looking for a large scale or a large print that's not too overwhelming. And I'm not seeing anything. All right, so this one may be a bust. This one is okay, but it's not the best. Okay, so let's go here and let's see if there's something over here that goes with these pants. I love these pants, by the way. What I would love to find is a stripe. I would love to find a stripe with the same colors. I don't think, oh, hold on. Does this one top go with that too? Okay, I would have to look at it like this. Okay, it won't let me be great. I think that works. Let's cover, let's see that. I think it works, guys. I think that works. Let's see. I think it works. I think that works. Okay. I would prefer a white and beige stripe, I'm not gonna lie to you, but this does work. This does work. Okay, I'm seeing a lot over here that I think would work with these pants. Now, I'm looking for something that has more of this blue. Like if I could find something with this blue and this green, that would be great. So let's go ahead and see if we see anything with, do we see anything? Did I just take this one out? Let's see, hold on. Let's see. Oh, actually this one too, hold on. Let's go here. Maybe this. No, it's too much black. Alright, let's see. Maybe we do the white and the... No, too much white. Oh, I was sure that we would find something over here to go with that, but maybe not. Let's see. This polka dot here. Oh, let's see if this polka dot goes with that polka dot. Ooh. Let's see if that, oh, hold on. Maybe this tied at the waist. Maybe. Possibly. getting close. But let's put this back in the cart and see what's going on with this one here. Sometimes it's just about the color. Oh, what size is this? A 4 and a small. This may be good for a thrift box. Look at that. Oh, that's nice. How much is that? $17.99. And this is for $12.99. Oh, we like that. Oh, we definitely like that. Ooh, look at us creating looks. Yeah, I like that a lot. That's really nice.